Welcome to our lively patch of paradise, where today we're taking on the ultimate veggie challenge, carrots. Yes, those orange wonders that love to keep us guessing. Carrots are the divas of the vegetable world, super rewarding, but oh boy do they have their quirks. Grow them right and you'll feel like a garden rock star. But be warned, they're a little fussy about their living arrangements. Seriously, nothing beats yanking a carrot straight from the earth, giving it a quick wipe and crunching into that sweet, earthy goodness, garden-to-mouth style. But today, we're on a mission. Tackling split carrots, smart tips for homegrown success. Because nobody wants a carrot that looks like it's been through a breakup. This one's for all you rookie gardeners. Don't worry, we've got your back and your carrots. So grab your trowel and let's get those carrots growing like champs. Ever pulled up a carrot and found it looking like it's auditioning for a veggie horror movie? Split carrots are a classic garden surprise. The main culprit? Inconsistent watering. Carrots want steady moisture, no droughts, no floods. Dry soil followed by a soaking is like blowing up a balloon until it pops. Crack. Too much nitrogen? That's another split trigger. It's great for leaves, but roots get wild and crack. And soil matters. Carrots love loose, sandy loam. Heavy clay? That's a root obstacle course. Keep water steady, go easy on the nitrogen, and give them soft soil. Your carrots will thank you with smooth, sweet roots. All right, let's talk about watering, because your carrots aren't going to hydrate themselves. The goal? Keep that soil as evenly moist as a perfectly baked brownie. Never a soggy mess, never bone dry. Picture a sponge. You want it damp, not dripping like it just survived a monsoon. Too much water? Your carrots might split like bad genes. Too little? They'll be stunted and tough. Nobody wants a carrot that bites back. How often you water depends on your climate and soil. Desert dweller or rainforest resident, your carrots have needs. As a rule of green thumb, aim for about an inch of water per week. That's the carrot sweet spot. Not sure if it's time to water? Give your soil the old finger test. Poke it an inch deep. If it feels dry, your carrots are basically sending you a thirst trap. Time to water. Pro tip, got a rain gauge? Use it. It's like a Fitbit for your garden. It's a super simple way to track how much H2O your garden's actually getting. No guesswork, just results. You'd be amazed how much rain can fall in a flash. Don't drown those precious carrots. Keep it balanced and you'll be a carrot-growing superstar. All right, dirt detectives, let's dig into the secret life of soil. Carrots are picky little root divas. They want loose, sandy loam soil. Think of it as the carrot equivalent of a 5-star hotel for roots. Stuck with heavy, clay-like soil? Don't panic. Your carrot dreams aren't doomed. There are some soil-saving tricks up our sleeves. The best magic? Pile on the organic matter. Well-rotted compost or manure is like a spa day for your soil. This breaks up stubborn clay, boosts drainage, and gives your carrots a cushy place to stretch out. Or, if you're feeling fancy, build some raised beds. Raised beds are the VIP section for carrots, perfect if your soil is more swamp than sanctuary. Just stack up a bed of loose, rich soil right on top of your old ground. Easy! Your carrots will grow straight, strong, and harvesting them will be a total breeze. No wrestling required. Bottom line, prepping your soil is the golden ticket to carrot success. Give your soil some love and your carrots will reward you with a standing ovation. Well, as much as a carrot can. All right, carrot champions, let's dish the dirt on feeding your orange beauties. Here's the scoop. Too much nitrogen is like giving your carrots an energy drink. Great for leaves, not so great for roots. You'll end up with a carrot fashion show up top, but a root party flop below. Tiny split carrots? No thanks. So what's a savvy gardener to do? Grab a balanced fertilizer. Think of it as the carrot's version of a well-rounded breakfast. Equal parts nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. Or, if you want to go pro, pick one made just for root veggies. Your carrots will thank you with every crunchy bite. These superstar fertilizers keep nitrogen low and phosphorus high. Just what your carrots crave for those big, bold roots. But hey, if you're like me and love to keep things au naturel, let's talk about the good stuff. Bone meal. Yep, it's not just for pirates and their parrots, it's my go-to carrot booster. Packed with phosphorus, bone meal is basically a root-building superfood for your carrots. Plus, it's a slow-release wonder. feeding your carrots little by little, like a buffet that never closes. Just toss a handful of bone meal into each planting hole before you sow your seeds, and boom, carrot success is practically guaranteed. All right, carrot crusaders, it's time to get those seeds in the ground. Let's talk spacing. Because carrots are like introverts at a party. They need their personal space. If you cram them together, you'll end up with a bunch of stunted, awkward roots that just want to go home early. Give your carrots some breathing room. Proper spacing is the secret to those long, elegant roots that make you look like a gardening genius. Each carrot needs its own patch of soil, nutrients, and water, especially when they're just starting out. Pack them in too tight, and you'll have a root riot on your hands. They'll fight for space and nutrients, and surprise, you'll get split, weirdly shaped carrots that look like they belong in a veggie circus. So, how much elbow room do these orange wonders need? Well, it depends on the variety. Some carrots are petite and don't mind a cozy setup, while others need a little more legroom to stretch out. As a general rule, sow your seeds thinly. Think half an inch deep and about an inch apart. It's like giving each seed its own VIP section at the carrot club, so they can sprout and grow without bumping elbows right away. When your seedlings pop up and hit about an inch or two tall, it's time for the big event, thinning. Yes, it sounds dramatic, but it's just making sure the best carrots get the spotlight. Thinning might feel a bit ruthless, like you're playing carrot judge and jury, but trust me, it's for the greater good. Without it, your carrots will be stuck in a never-ending battle for resources, and nobody wants a garden full of underachievers. Grab a pair of sharp scissors and snip off the weakest seedlings at soil level. No need to yank them out, just a quick trim, and the strongest carrots get to shine. Plus, this keeps the roots of your future veggie superstars undisturbed. Your goal? A final spacing of 2 to 3 inches between each plant. That's the sweet spot for carrots to grow big, bold, and beautiful. No crowding, no drama. Pro tip, don't toss those thinnings. They're not just garden leftovers. They're edible and they're fabulous. Carrot tops have a zesty, earthy flavor that's perfect for salads or as a garnish. Next time you thin your carrots, save those greens and get creative in the kitchen. Who knew gardening could be so deliciously fun? All right, carrot champions, it's time for the grand finale, harvest time. This is where all your hard work pays off, and trust me, it's more exciting than finding an extra fry at the bottom of the bag. Timing is everything here. Pluck your carrots at just the right moment, and you'll be rewarded with sweet, crunchy, vitamin-packed perfection. Wait too long and, well, things get a little wild underground. Harvest too early, and you'll get baby carrots. Cute, but not quite the main event. Leave them in too long, and they might split like a rock band after a bad tour. Split carrots are still edible, but they're a bit on the tough side and might not win any taste contests. So how do you know when your carrots are ready for their big debut? It's all about reading the clues your carrots are sending you, no psychic powers required. Here's a handy tip. When the tops are about an inch thick, you're in business. That's usually a sign there's a decent-sized carrot hiding just below the surface, waiting for its moment in the spotlight. If you're feeling nosy, gently brush away a bit of soil at the top to sneak a peek. It's like checking the cake in the oven. Just a little look, no harm done. Spot a tiny carrot? No worries. Tuck it back in, give it a pep talk, and let it keep growing. Good things come to those who wait, especially in the carrot world. When it's showtime, grab the carrot near the base of the leaves and pull straight up, gently. No need for a wrestling match. You want the carrot, not carrot confetti. If your soil is nice and loose, the carrot should pop right out. Easy as pie. Loose soil is the unsung hero of stress-free harvesting. Got a stubborn carrot? Don't panic. Grab a garden fork and loosen the soil around it. Think of it as giving your carrot a gentle nudge out the door. And there you have it. Fresh homegrown carrots straight from your garden. There's nothing quite like the thrill of pulling up a carrot you've raised from a tiny seed. Give those beauties a quick rinse and they're ready for action. Washing off the dirt is like giving your carrots a well-deserved spa day. And now the best part, taste test. Homegrown carrots are in a league of their own. Enjoy that unbeatable flavor and give yourself a pat on the back. You've earned it. And there you have it, your all-access pass to carrot growing glory. With these pro tips on watering, prepping your soil, feeding your plants, planting, and harvesting, you're officially on the fast track to carrot perfection. Keep digging, keep experimenting, and above all, keep savoring that unbeatable homegrown crunch. Here's the not-so-secret ingredient. Every garden needs a heaping scoop of love, and maybe a pep talk for those carrots that think they're too cool to sprout. So roll up those sleeves, dive into the dirt, and let your inner plant whisperer shine. Got a weird garden hack or a tip that makes your veggies boogie? Drop it in the comments or tag us with #Rhokins Homestead on social. If you cracked a smile or learned a thing or two, smash that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell, because this garden shindig is just getting started. Thanks for hanging out at Rhokins Homestead, your one-stop shop for all things leafy, rooty, and downright awesome. Let's get our hands dirty and grow something epic together. Happy gardening!